This video will show you how to prepare files for laser cutting using Adobe Illustrator. So firstly, open up your image in Adobe Illustrator. You can resize your image by clicking on the top left hand arrow, clicking on your image and then resizing using any of the boxes. So we're just going to make the image slightly larger. With the image selected, move to the Objects window, move to Image Trace and then click on Make. This will convert the image into a black and white vector. You will get a list of options in the top window. What we're looking at, the presets window, which is currently on default. You can select different presets and it will show you the outcomes just depending on the thresholds. So in this case you've got technical drawing, line art, silhouettes. You also have sketched art, black and white logos and various others that you can select through. So what I'm doing now is just selecting through the windows to show you the different options. In this case, silhouettes is the best option because we're going to cut it using the laser, so we need a solid shape. So once we're happy, we click on Expand. This will show you lots of tiny blue squares that shows that this has been converted to a vector. If you deselect and reselect it, you can see all the squares. So we move down to the bottom left, default fill and stroke. This will convert the image into an outline, which is what is needed by the laser because it does not see solid vectors, it only sees outlines. So then we select on the second arrow and then we're just going to delete the outside box as we do not require it for cutting. Then we'll select the image again using the top left arrow. You can move it around and you can see that it's a solid outline shape. So you save your image as an Adobe Illustrator file, so we'll just delete the .jpeg. So it just remains as snowflake template.ai. So like I said, that is an Illustrator file. So click on Save and you'll be given another list of options. What you need to do is just make sure the Use Compression box is unticked, otherwise it will not import into the laser cutter software. So once you've done that, click OK. This will save the file. And then as you can see, you've got the snowflake template.ai. This is the file that you will need to give me for laser cutting. So if you save it onto a USB stick, I can import it into the computer for the laser cutter. So to summarise, open your image in Illustrator, select Image and go to Object, Image Trace, Make. Choose a breast preset that suits your image. Click on Expand from the Image Trace submenu to turn your image into a vector. With Vectorized Image selected, click on the default colour swatch, select any unwanted lines, the white arrow tool and delete, and then save your image or file and make sure that the Use Compression is not selected.